Hey everyone, it's Andrew from Cable Bullet. Today I want to show you where to find all the parts for your system when building your card out on our website. First, you need to decide whether you want a complete railing system or just a tensioning system. Our complete railing systems have all of the posts, handrail, and tensioning hardware needed to completely overhaul your deck. Tensioning systems are great for converting your existing posts to cable railing, or if you are building a new deck with wood, vinyl, or similar posts. Once you know what system you want, you're ready to start shopping. Let's dive into the shopping experience by looking at complete railing systems. Now I'm here on cablebullet.com. To find all of the different systems we offer, select Shop, and then Complete Railing Systems. From here, you can select any of these options to see the different parts that come with each system. I'm going to check out Signature Classic. As I scroll down, I can see all the different products that are part of the Signature Classic collection. That can be a bit overwhelming, so we recommend using these sections at the top or the filters on the side to narrow your product selection down. If you're building out your project, a good way to proceed is to go through one section at a time, starting with posts and ending with tools, adding whatever products you need along the way. Shopping for tensioning systems is a similar process. This time, we'll select Shop and then Tensioning Systems. These are divided by application, so you'll want to select whatever post you are converting or are otherwise going to be using on your project. I'll check out the For Sleeved Posts section. Again, this page shows everything you can get for your sleeved post project, so be sure to use the filters on the side or the sections at the top to narrow down your product selection. Like with the complete railing systems, we recommend going one section at a time, adding whatever products you need as you go. Not sure what you need for your project? We'd love to help you out. If you click the Get an Estimate button on our website, we can put a full parts list together for you. You can also give us a call with any questions about your project. We're here to help make your view extraordinary.